Hi YouTubers, Dylan here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to draw Kuzco in his llama form from the Disney movie The Emperor's New Groove. So let's begin. First off, you will need some piece of paper and a pencil. I am just using basic printer paper, nothing real specific, and I'm using a brown colored pencil. If you want to use a regular black pencil, that's fine. But either way, we got to start with what will be his neck. It's basically like a flat S shape because we're also going to give him a little bit of attitude on his neck. And then we'll do a similar shape again. Then we'll draw these side lines. This will be his face. And then another one here. This is what his head will be shaped like. And we're only drawing the side of his face. And remember to draw very lightly, so that way when you make mistakes, they'll be covered up real well and, well, most people won't really notice them much. Then we'll draw this back line here. This will be his fur. And then there's, maybe put a small triangle up here. That will be where his top of his head will be. And he does have hair at the top. And then right here, draw this simple curve. This is going to be his ear. Then we're going to draw a line at the bottom that's going to show us where his eye will fall and where his mouth will end. And then maybe if you want, you can also put a line at the top to know where his eye will start. Now let's draw his eye. It's almost going to be almost a perfect circle. His eye is on his other eye is on the other side of his face. Okay, then we're going to put his eyelash. That is going to be his eyelid too. So draw that little eyelash that sticks out. And because we're giving him a bit of a sly expression, then you'll draw another circle for the pupil. Draw another circle on the inside for the highlight. And then you can lightly shade that in dark so it comes to life. And now we're going to give him his eyebrow. So that's his eyebrow. Shade that in as well. And then we need to draw the back side of his head. So it's basically this curve that goes all the way around. his neck. Okay, then we need to draw a curve right here. And then another curve here. This is, now we're going to get onto his mouth and nose. So we'll draw a curve that stops about the line we put there. And then we're going to put a V shape for his nose. Right there. And then last but not least, we're going to make him smile. Just like that. It's going to stick out a little bit. Then you're going to put a little bit of a line right in the middle, right there. And then you will bring this to another V shape, and it's stop, and the point goes right about there. So we'll draw that. And then we will draw another curved line like this. Now we need to, before we get to his top hair and his ear, we need to draw the other sides. We need to draw the back side of his head. Maybe put some fur strikes there. They go like this. And then we draw the front. Got some fur there. Here's another one, except it'll come at a point like this. You can stop there if you want. Okay, now we need to get the back side of them. So we'll start about at the corner of the eyelash. Then it's going to come down and then you'll put another point right here. Connect that point up there. And now we need to draw the top hairs. And it will come like this. You'll have a point here. Then another point here. And then you'll have a big curvy point right here. put a third one there. Now all you gotta do is darken in those lines that we put. Okay, now we need to get his ear. And it's basically a big curve that's gonna go like this. And now we also need to draw the outer edge and it's of the ear, and it's going to start about there, the same point as the bottom of the eye. Then if you want, you could also draw an outer edge here that will go simply like this. Okay. Now, what you can do, you can take the side of your pencil and shade in the areas that we know are black, like mainly his outer hair. Just take your time and use the side of your pencil, because using the tip will take you forever and hurt your hands. And maybe have other pencils aside. Shade that in. And do it real lightly so that you can still see your lines. If you want to use a black pencil instead, you can. This is a drawing. Drawings are supposed to be fun. They're supposed to teach you new things. They are supposed to change people's lives. Just like how Kuzco's life changed near the end of the movie. Maybe go back over some eyelashes that the shading faded away. That's something you can do after shading. Go back over lines that might have been faded. And there you go. That is Kuzco. Hope you all enjoyed this. Please make sure to like, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.